basic takeaway is that whatever energy has been created during this summit, we must take this energy back to the state, back to the districts where action is required. Because we have had a lot of kind of discussions, a lot of learning, but ultimately if we really want to make a dent in the under 5 mortality, we have to do some action. And that means this energy has to go down to the district, down to the states. That's number one. And then the second important message which I want to convey here is that we should not see child health in isolation. It has to be a life cycle approach. It has to be a continuum of care approach. So that is also a message which is loud and clear. That is the second. And then the third important piece is that partnership. Because India being such a big country with wide geographical variations, and the private sector also plays a major role in terms of healthcare. I think we need to move together, and not only private sector, partners in civil society, partners in terms of international organizations, and all stakeholders. I think we need to work together and we need to move together, and particularly to those areas where there is a need, where there is an unreached population in terms of child care interventions. And then the fourth, the most important message to my mind is in terms of scorecards. I mean, scorecard should not remain in theory. It should be put into practice. And I will urge upon all the state program managers and even the district program managers to take care of this as a simple management tool and try to put into practice. This will give them to my mind, a large dividend in terms of reaching our goals of child survival. Thank you very much.